Hey, welcome everybody back to Joy's Beautiful. My name is Evold. Last week I forgot to say Happy New Year's to everybody. Well, I'm doing it now. So, we're gonna start this new year, well, already second video, with a stir fry. And let's see how we can do it. So let's first talk about how we're gonna prep the ingredients. The good thing about the stir fry is it takes as long as it takes to cook your noodles. So what I would advise you to do is to prepare some boiling water in a kettle, in a kettle just right here. Get to the boil, put it in a pot and get it back to the boil. When it's boiling, put your noodles in and then start frying everything. So for the veggies we're gonna have zucchini, sugar snaps, pepper, ginger and garlic. And for the meat, it's not the vegetarian one, but for meat I'm going with pork. But you can also add chicken there if you want, or beef as well. When the water is boiling, you can add some oil. Try to go for a high heat oil, or like you can for specifically for rice oil or for vegetable oil. Those oils have high smoking points, so they go pretty high up in the temperature, which is what we want for stir fry. We want really high and hot there. So first try off with your meat and your ginger and garlic. First get them going. Then I would suggest you to put in your other longer cooking ingredients, so like zucchini and broccoli. When they're like almost like getting a bit more cooked, you can add your pepper and your sugar snaps, because we kind of want to keep it a bit fresh than overcooked. So when everything is mostly getting more and more cooked, you can add your sauces. You can try to mix them if you want, if you feel adventurous, but I usually go just with one simple sauce. Yeah, so for the sauce I just use Hoisin sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and that's it mostly. Nothing too crazy. So put it all together, fry it, and then you can serve it. So I'm gonna be a bit annoying, I'm gonna eat from here. And so, the thing about stir frying, it has to be balanced. Sweet and sour and savory has to balance each other out. And it's a pretty easy, nice, quick meal to do during the week. So, as I said, it's not really particular any Asian recipe, it's just my interpretation of stir fry. So, give it a try guys, say if you like it, and leave in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave it a like, share with your friends if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future.